Hi, welcome to my channel. If you like luxury unboxing, then keep watching. Recently, I was in Paris, France for my birthday, and I picked up a couple of things from the house of Dior. So let's get started. I wanted to mention that this is my first purchase from Dior, so I'm really excited. So let's just stop all this talking and let's get into these two items, okay? All right, so pretty packaging, yes. Pretty, it is really pretty. Bow in the front, bow on the outside, and bow on the inside. So, this is from the new collection, and hopefully, I'm gonna turn it around so you can see it better. Dior. Can you see it? Oh, hold on. There you go. It's a little better picture. Okay, so it comes with this. And then, oh, can you see that? Let me lay it like that, okay? And I think they look amazing on. So let me pause this video and then we'll be back. So that's the first from Dior. And now let's go. Can you see? Is it this? Okay, here we go. This way. All right. Unboxing. Ugh, got a little stuck. Ribbon on the outside, ribbon on the inside. It is this bracelet. Okay. This is Dior. You put it up against there. Okay. It's really thick. It's pretty weighty. Let's bring it up there so you can see. Alright. Alright, so let's see. Trying to figure out how to open it. That would be good, huh? All right, so I'm gonna pause it and then we're gonna come back once I find out how to open it, okay? I am still trying to get it on. And I remember the sales associate having service advisor, sales associate, tomatoes, having a problem getting it off of the mannequin to show me, and I can't remember how to put it on. Does anybody know how to put it on? All right, so let me show you the back. Has Dior, and that's it. It's pretty. I wish I could put it on and show you it on. If I can, later on I'll insert a shot of it once I give them a call. Okay, so that is my luxury unboxing. I hope you liked it. I truly love these earrings. Yes, they are the bomb. Um, and this is so cute. I don't know if I can show it to you. Can you see the tail? It's my ear a little bit too long. Can you see it? All right, well, that's all for now. I still don't have the bracelet on. Nope, I don't. The price of these earrings are $350, and the price of the bracelet that I cannot put on is $490. Okay, so I might have to go take a drive and have them put it on for me, because of the fact that I just got off the phone with them and they could not explain it either. So that's it. So thank you for watching. Comment below if you have any type of questions. Please, please, please subscribe and hit that notification bell if you want, as soon as I upload a new video, to be in your feed. And once again, thank you for watching, and I hope to see you soon. All right, bye-bye. Ciao.